recognize the honourable member for King South.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I rise today to recognize a remarkable individual from Wolfville who recognized the urgency of housing the unhoused and acted. From sourcing tents to organizing essential supplies and power and providing a sympathetic ear, Steve Wilsack's dedication to supporting the unhoused deserves our thanks. Steve also became the voice for those living in the tent communities in Halifax, doing many media interviews over this winter, sharing their stories. His compassionate response to the unhoused crisis exemplifies the spirit of finding solutions within the strength of our communities. Individuals like Steve and Matthew Grant embody the values of compassion and solidarity that we need to solve our province's most difficult social challenges. His selfless efforts reflect the essence of Nova Scotian kindness and generosity. I ask all members of the Nova Scotia Legislative Assembly to join me in recognizing and thanking Steve Wilsack for his unwavering commitment to supporting citizens facing urgent housing needs and for informing a path forward for sustainable solutions. Thank you, Madam Speaker.